If you ever wonder, can leaving the power on during AC maintenance cause a compressor blowout? The quick answer is, yeah, it can, but it's not always that simple. So here's the deal. When you're working on an air conditioner, the first rule is always to shut off the right breaker to totally kill power. If the compressor's locked up and you try to test or swap parts, like the capacitor, while the unit is powered, you risk blowing the compressor or other components. That black goo you saw? That's usually compressor oil mixed with refrigerant, definitely a sign something went wrong inside. Always double check which breaker you're flipping, because messing up and using the wrong one means the unit could still be live during service. If a capacitor fails and you flip power back on without fixing the root cause, the compressor can draw too much current and pop. It's also smart to let the unit discharge for a bit before touching anything electrical to avoid shorts. And when in doubt, call a pro who knows how to safely handle these delicate parts without frying them or releasing refrigerant. Keeping your AC maintained safely means no shortcuts and serious respect for those breakers and capacitors. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not turning off the correct breaker, which leaves the AC powered on during maintenance. Fix this by labeling breakers clearly before working on your unit. Another common issue is trying to swap capacitors without testing if the compressor is seized. If it is, replacing just the capacitor won't help and can cause a blowout. Always test the compressor first. Lastly, ignoring warning signs like unusual noises or leaks before servicing often leads to bigger damage. Don't skip those inspections and call a technician if anything seems off. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their services, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.